Hi and welcome to today's video. If I look absolutely terrifying, soon you will understand why. I literally just stepped out of the shower, but there is a reason for that. So today I am unboxing something new to this channel and new to me. So this will be the first time I use it. So this is the Rejuviss 5-in-1 Collagen Booster Derma Rolling Kit. Let me just toss this to the side. So I'm going to first unbox this, and then I'm actually going to try it out and give like a little tutorial of how to use it. And then after that, I have an exciting announcement. There will be a giveaway for this product, so keep watching and you will learn how to win. So this is a $200 value, and like the name suggests, this is a collagen booster. So I am going to see what is inside. So the packaging is super cool. Look at this. So if you don't know what derma rolling is, it actually says it right here in the box, so let me read it to you. So it says, what is derma rolling? Derma rolling is a clinically proven skincare method to reduce fine lines and scars by stimulating the skin to regenerate new collagen and elastin to repair itself naturally, creating smoother, brighter, healthier, and younger looking skin. Sorry, my lip itches for some reason. So how does this work? The Rejuviss 5-in-1 derma rollers are made of many high-grade micro needles which roll over and penetrate the skin's upper surface painlessly. These derma rollers work by creating tiny punctures into the skin to stimulate skin repair and cell generation. When the body sustains an injury or wound, it heals itself by creating new collagen, and this leads to better looking and smoother skin. So then it kind of shows a little picture here of your skin and new collagen being formed and all that, and how it helps wrinkles. And then on the back it shows you what comes inside. So it comes with different derma rollers with different micro needles. So there's one, this bigger one is more for your body. The 600 microneedle one you can use for like fine lines and acne scars, two of my concerns. And then there's a smaller one that can get hard to reach areas like around your eyes or crow's feet. And then there's an even smaller one that's used for like deep scars or acne scars too, so like targeted treatment. And it shows you how to derma roll, which we will get into later, which is super helpful. So the packaging alone is great. Let's see what's inside. So it looks like it comes with a storage box, which is super nice. And inside, okay, there's like polka dots in it. This is what it looks like. So there's a little sheet in here. So if you don't keep this box, this will also tell you how to use it. So it tells you what it's used for. So it says it can be used for scar removal, stretch mark removal, anti-aging, cellulite treatment, hair loss treatment even, and hyperpigmentation. So it shows you how to hook up the needles and all of that and how to use it. So that's super useful. So you don't have to keep that big box if you don't want to. You could just keep the storage box with that sheet of paper. So then here is the actual kit, and it is sealed, which is really nice to keep it nice and sanitized and yeah, so you know it's fresh and brand new. The cool thing about this one, like I've used kits before, or I've had a derma roller once before. I think I received it in my Derm Store Beauty Fix box, like way back. But this one actually comes with a disinfecting chamber, so you can pour some like rubbing alcohol or isopropyl alcohol in there and clean it, which is very important. You want to clean it, but we'll get into that later. So this is super awesome. So it comes with one actual like wand or handle, and then you could switch it for what size you want. So I'm gonna use the size that's actually attached to it already. So this is what it looks like. Super cool. So it looks like it's simple to take this off, but I'm not gonna do that now. So I am just going to set this box aside. So I showed you what it looks like, and now I'm going to actually use it. So that's why I look the way I do. I just stepped out of the shower. I really like to wash my face in the shower, and it's really important to do this with clean skin, and also with a clean derma roller. So I am going to clean this, and I will be right back. So my face is cleansed, and my derma roller is disinfected and ready to go. Super important to clean it because how this works, like the box said, there's some micro needles that do little punctures in your skin, which helps boost that collagen production. So you don't want to spread any germs with those little punctures. Another reason, or another way to prevent any spread of germs is to not use this on any open acne wounds, or not wounds, you know, just any acne areas, active breakouts, or any little scratches or anything you have. Anything that's open skin, pretty much. So my main skin concerns are fine lines on my forehead, and then I have some acne scars around my chin area, and I have enlarged pores on my cheek, like around my nose. So I am going to pretty much do my entire face, but I'm gonna exclude the areas of active breakouts. So I have a breakout right here on my chin, so I'm not going to derma roll right there, but everywhere else on my face I'm pretty much going to do. So yeah, so I am going to get started, but before I get started, I am going to take a before photo of my face. So I just grabbed my phone. So I want to see how my results are, and I recommend everyone that uses this do it as well, so you can really keep track of how it's working, and also improvements, you know, just to see like how the efforts have paid off and if it did pay off. So I am going to actually go into Snapchat, because Snapchat has like a filter or something you can add on that says the date. So I'm going to take probably the worst photo I've ever taken, because I look like this, and try not to add it to my story accidentally. God, I've got like a little sweat roll going on. Excuse me, guys. This is not my most flattering day. So there you go, there's my face, which I see a lot of, like, you know, acne scars on there, and I can even see my fine lines, so this is good close up. So I am going to save that photo. And my plan is to do this as directed, so it says to use it once every 2 weeks, so I'm going to do that. So today is Sunday the 14th, so I'll do it on the 28th, and I'll keep doing that for 2 months. And I will keep taking photos before I do all of it, and then at the end I will be able to tell you guys my full review. And I also picked the 2-month time frame because these rollers you're supposed to exchange about every 4 times you use it, just because you want to lower the risk of any infection. So then I'll be able to see how it works, and also if it's worth repurchasing, so I can give a thorough review for you guys. So that is why I'm doing that. And I think it'll be really interesting to see the photos. I've never really done like a before and after photo thing, so that'll be awesome. So yeah, now I think it's time to get started. So I am going to just use this little mirror. And so they say this whole process takes about 3 to 5 minutes. So bear with me, I might do a little fast forwarding, but I'm first gonna tell you how to do it. So they say that there's this technique called like the 4 directions technique. Let me look, I wanna make sure that I'm saying that right. I wrote some notes down so I didn't mess it up. And I also want to do this correctly while I teach you. So we already did the first step, so we disinfected the derma roller. And I was going to suggest this, I don't think I mentioned it, but while it's disinfecting is a good time to wash your face if you didn't already do it. So yeah, it's called the 4-direction derma rolling technique. And this is shown on the back of the packaging and that little sheet of paper. In case you forget or just want some guidance. So here are the 4 directions, if you could see them on my finger. So first you want to go up and down 4 times, just up and down, and then you want to do left and right 4 times, and then you want to do diagonal 1 direction, and then diagonal the other direction, each 4 times. So that's why they call it the 4-direction technique. So there's 4 actual directions you go in, and you want to do it 4 times each in each area. So the area of your face you're supposed to do is like 1/4 of the size of your palm, so like just a pretty small area you want to work at a time, and then you just do the 4 directions 4 times each, and then you move on to the next area. So I'm just going to start probably topping my head down, and I'm using this mirror I just got in my single swag box. I think I'm gonna do this one. The other one was like super magnified. So I'm just gonna start right here, and I'll do up and down. So 1, 2, 3, 4. And your skin might get a little red. It doesn't hurt. You can like feel it, but it does not hurt, which is nice. And I have really sensitive skin, so we'll be able to see if it actually gets red. And you don't need to apply too much pressure. You can apply a little bit, they say. 3, 4. Okay, so now I just did all the directions on that little area, so I'm just gonna move a little bit over. And I hope you guys can see me. I'm pretty sure you can, but you can see it's a little bit red, but it's not too red, so that's normal. because you are doing, this is little micro needles. I wonder, can you guys see? Like it's barely anything, like you feel it, but it doesn't hurt. Like, and I'm pretty sensitive to pain. I'm a big baby. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4. I'm doing it pretty much directly over one of my fine lines right now. I'm really hoping this helps because they've been really bugging me lately. Like, I have acne and wrinkles. It's just not fair. So I'm hoping this can help both. Right. All right, so I am going to continue doing this, and then once I get done, I will start talking again. Hi, okay, I am done. I don't know why I always have to do that, by the way. I'm like, hello. But anyways, I just finished derma rolling, and I had a timer on my camera screen, and it said 3 minutes and 45 seconds, and I did a little bit of rolling before that, so it was about 4 minutes or so, which is what they say, about 3 to 5 minutes. It seemed like it was even quicker than that, but seriously, it's a super easy process. And I am not too red, and I have a very fair complected person. I'm a little pink, I guess, but it didn't hurt. I can kind of like feel it, my skin, like it's not like painful, but I'm aware of it. But now that I'm done, I am going to apply some serum. So one benefit of derma rolling that I'm not sure I mentioned yet is that it can enhance the absorption of skincare products. So I grabbed my Collagen, if I'm saying that right, I don't know why I haven't looked that up yet. But their serum, their Vino Perfect Serum, it's a radiant serum, complexion correcting. I've been using this every morning. I receive this in my box of Style. So I'm just gonna apply that, and then in about a minute or so when I'm wrapping up this video, I'm gonna apply some moisturizer too. I don't know if I have it in here, but I probably do somewhere that I got in a box. So I'm just gonna use the viewfinder. So yeah, easy process. And right now I'm going to disinfect my roller too. When you're done, it's important. So before and after, you want to disinfect. So I'm gonna do that while I am applying this. And then, now I get to tell you about the fun part. Not like this wasn't fun, but it was actually super easy. I thought it was gonna be hard. Like I had these notes in front of me in case I couldn't figure out how to do it or something, but it's, if you look at the box or the piece of paper, it's pretty self-explanatory once you get going. And really, it seems like it's such a small area, but you don't, you know, even with my big head, it wasn't too many sections. So yeah, on to the giveaway. So thank you Rejuviss for offering to give a giveaway for my subscribers. They're gonna give one of you this exact kit, and this is a retail value, I just squeaked a little there, but this is a retail value of about $200. So I think it's like $199.95 or something like that. So one of you lucky people will win. I will of course leave the giveaway link below. I'll also link below the product and just more information about derma rolling itself if you want to read more about it. It's definitely very interesting. I'm super excited to see the results. But anyways, yeah, so I'll leave that link below. The giveaway ends in a week from today, or a week from when this is posting, so I'm filming this the night before. So it'll be the 21st, and I will announce the winner in my video probably the 22nd. So I'll definitely let you guys know then. So I'll talk to the company on the 21st, and then I will let you guys know on the 22nd. So it's super exciting. You know I love giveaways, so definitely make sure to enter that because I think this is great so far. It was super easy to use, super convenient. I'm really looking forward to seeing the results. Like if it works, it would be great to have diminished scars and fine lines. Oh my gosh, it's huge. So I've heard only good things about it. I've dabbled in it a little bit in the past, but I wasn't consistent with it, so I'm really glad I'm doing this now. So I'm gonna mark it in my calendar. In 2 weeks, I'm gonna do it again. So yeah, if you do this, I recommend that too. Taking pictures and scheduling it in your planner or on your phone, like alert or something like that so you don't forget. But yeah, thank you so much, Rejuviss, for hosting this giveaway and giving me this product to try. I'm super excited and I'm loving it so far. So I'm gonna go and put on some moisturizer. Thank you all for tuning in today, and I will see you tomorrow. Bye. Hey guys, I totally forgot to mention that I have a 10% off code for you. It's Kitty's Boxes. And I realized while editing this that it is currently on sale, so it's for $100, so it's 50% off already, so you can get it for 60% off with my code. I'll leave that all below in the description box, and sorry I forgot that in the beginning, and I love you guys, bye!